Our today's journey towards the KFC tenders begins in the serene environment of this amazing poultry house, which is located in the United States. Being KFC's biggest supplier, these farms are not just places where chickens are raised, they are carefully designed spaces dedicated to the well-being of the birds. Music. Automatic dispensers play a key role in maintaining the chicken's health. Fresh, clean water is always available thanks to these dispensers. In spacious barns, chickens are given room to roam freely, unlike the cramped conditions found in some other farming setups. This freedom is crucial because a stress-free environment helps the chickens grow healthy and robust. Music. Once the chickens are deemed ready, these modern collecting machines arrive at the farms. These machines are somewhat like large vacuum systems, but with a gentle touch. Instead of sucking up the chickens roughly, they handle them with great care. Once the chickens are collected, they are placed into clean, secure crates. These crates are specifically designed to ensure the safety and comfort of the chickens during their journey. This helps reduce stress and keeps them calm throughout the trip. Music. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the chickens are unloaded with the same care and attention they receive throughout their journey. The unloading process is handled by experienced workers who use a bunch of conveyor belts and understand the importance of gentle handling. The focus remains on maintaining their health and safety, which is crucial for producing high-quality products. Just a little manual help for a smooth processing. Music. The processing plant is a marvel of modern technology, designed to handle large volumes of chickens while ensuring efficiency and precision. As the chickens travel along the conveyor belt, they pass through a stunning machine. This machine is designed to render the chickens unconscious in a way that is both quick and painless. One of the most important steps in the processing plant is ensuring the chickens are treated humanely. This commitment to humane treatment reflects the industry's focus on animal welfare. Music. The chickens move to the feather removal stage. This is where a specialized machine removes all the feathers from the chickens. One of the first steps involves separating the chicken feet from the rest of the body. After the feet are removed, the chickens move on to the next stage where their internal sections are cleaned out. Once the internal cleaning is complete, the chickens are thoroughly washed. The washing process is held in a pool of water that also uses high-pressure water jets to remove any remaining blood or impurities. With the chickens dried, the next stage involves cutting them into various parts, keeping the breast pieces for KFC tenders processing, as they are known for their juicy tenderness. The rest of the chicken will also be cut into pieces and collected for further selling purposes. I almost forgot, but the machines don't. Before making cuts to the breast pieces, the abras of roller pins conveniently removes the skin from the breast piece, so you never have to compromise on taste and quality. Specialized machines are used to make precise cuts, separating the breast from the rest of the chicken. These machines are designed to handle the chicken gently, while ensuring that each cut is clean and accurate. The breast pieces are cut from the bony parts of the chicken, which are handled separately. Once the chicken breasts are separated from the rest of the chicken, they are carefully collected. Now the breast pieces are being placed into drum rollers. This part of the process is designed to make the chicken breasts even juicier. The drum rollers gently tumble the chicken pieces, allowing them to lock in moisture and enhance the overall tenderness of the chicken. Music. After the drum rollers, the chicken pieces move to the sorting stage. Here they are manually placed on running belts, more like sieves. These sieves allow experts to inspect each piece carefully to ensure that the chicken is safe to eat. The pieces are then sprayed with a solution responsible for removing any harmful bacteria from the surface. The spray helps to reduce the risk of contamination and ensures that the chicken is clean and ready. We are really working hard to entertain you guys. If you think we deserve your like, please hit that like button. Once the chicken pieces are thoroughly cleaned, they are coated with flour to add a delicious texture to the chicken and help in creating a crispy coating when fried. Importantly, no artificial ingredients are used in this flour coating. The flour-covered pieces are then transported on shaker or vibrating belts, which ensure that the coating is applied evenly and that the pieces are aligned in a uniform shape. This partial frying locks in the tenderness and juiciness of the chicken while giving it a golden brown color and a crisp texture on the outside. Delicious, but also made with remarkable efficiency. Carrying the capacity of 1,500 liters at a time, they can literally cope with bigger projects like more than hundreds and thousands of patties every day. Check out that pretty smooth process to package the burger patties to avoid the inconvenience. Enjoying that burger crunch or dreaming right now? Anyways, in both cases, you need to complete that fast food party with chicken nuggets. Even if you don't like those crispy and juicy chicken nuggets, you've got to watch this video. It may trigger some taste buds in you. For that appealing golden brown appearance, they fry these nuggets for around 70%, so they will be almost ready when you place your order in restaurants. Automation like this becomes even more fascinating when they give a touch of love and care. Here are two sorts of nuggets being made, and if you ask me, both are something delicious enough to die for. I'm kind of a huge fan. Freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the factory, where the chosen potatoes are gently loaded onto a conveyor belt. This belt carries them smoothly into the heart of the washing area, where a steady stream of water showers over them. This stage is important in maintaining the potatoes' hygiene and ensuring they are free from any contaminants that could compromise their quality. After the initial rinse, the potatoes enter a brushing and scrubbing phase. Here, soft brushes mounted on rotating cylinders gently massage the potatoes' skins. Once thoroughly washed, the clean potatoes proceed to a drying stage. That's a step which is typically 2-in-1, meaning they keep on drying naturally while moving ahead towards further processing, which will be peeling. Obvious, what else could it be? Potatoes enter the automatic peeling station where abrasive rollers gently remove their skins. So, they can be moved to these big choppers which literally cut the potatoes into uniform chunks. This factory is literally multitasking because it doesn't only prepare potatoes for silky smooth mashed potatoes, but gets the various forms of potatoes for dozens of cuisines. For example, here the special cutters have cut the potatoes into wedge shapes, so potato wedges aren't a hassle now, while some of the peeled potatoes are sent for further examination, where a bunch of experts pass the good quality potatoes to be cut into halves and packed immediately. Yes, because we can't wait more to show you guys the satisfying process of making mashed potatoes in bulk. To prepare the creamiest and most flavorful mashed potatoes, these experts are boiling the potatoes right at the spot. While in many households like mine, where spare time is literally an issue, already boiled potatoes, like boiled a day or two before, are used to make mashed potatoes real quick. But these buddies know never to compromise their crowning taste. When the potatoes are perfectly boiled, the unnecessary water is drained, and the steamy hot potatoes get their Disney oil treatment in a smooth blender. As they are the main character, the blender keeps on rotating while bit by bit, butter is added into it to give them a thorough and creamy blend. Talk about creamy. In order to make mashed potatoes creamy and dreamy, they'll pour in a specific amount of milk and mix it all over again. This gives the mashed potatoes a smooth texture and that perfect consistency that makes you crave for more. And there you have it. The superheroes have gone through the ultimate transformation and the best one, ready to be served as a delicious creamy side dish or main, totally depending on your taste. Never underestimate any smaller element, even if it's a small gesture or machine like this nozzle, pouring the equal quantity of mashed potatoes in every batch. It was literally a team effort. But we don't end here. There's a lot more craziness to watch, so stick with us. One of the famous international frozen pizza companies is on a mission to create the most delicious pizza ever. So, starting off right with smooth and fluffy dough, which is balled up and spread out neatly in thousands of pizza pans for quick and partial baking. Meanwhile, the pizza sauce is being prepared and neatly spread over the baked dough by some automatic machines, so they do not really need manual help. You know, cheese could go bad, so before it may ruin the entire pizza party, they check it for its top-notch quality beforehand. If it's good enough, the crushers shred the entire cheese blocks and sprinkle them over the thousands of pizzas to give these pizzas a perfect texture. Some more cheese slices are neatly added onto them to finish it off. They pour some other sauces and ingredients so the pizzas are ready to be frozen right away. Finally, the pizzas are covered with a transparent food sheet and packed into boxes to keep them fresh and preserved. Music. These machines won't even demand appreciation, but they do deserve it, right? So hit the like button for the sake of these and many such robotic machines working tirelessly to give you the perfect outcome every time. Music. Time to just check out how this ordinary-looking dough is going to transform into the perfect buns with a single push of a button. Yes, this entire automation you're watching right now on your screens doesn't involve manual help. Once balled up and rested in their dedicated pans, these fluffy dough balls are kept for a couple of minutes until the dough rises again, and the vacuum can blow off extra crumbs to give it a neat finishing. Look, however, when the buns are perfectly baked, they are all set to get.